Hello, fellow campers. The 2021 camping season has started, and we have some new gear to show you. After a year with our Clam Quick-Set, we decided we had enough room in our tent for better dining. So we have new chairs and a table that we're going to show you. Welcome to SoftSpeak's Fun in the Outdoors channel. Last year, we dined in the tent with 2 small tables, which is fine, but we thought one larger dining table would be much nicer.
It comes in, this is their box. It's not Amazon's box, even though I ordered it from Amazon. And pull it out.
The table is by ALPS Mountaineering. It is made of aluminum, and it is 43 by 28 by 28, and it weighs about 12 pounds.
And open it up. This is the bottom. And this is pretty. This is what it looks like. I'm learning this as I'm showing it. Okay. So that was a lot easier than I thought. And it's up higher than I thought too. Right? Let's get this. Oh, okay. It isn't. That's actually a little bit higher than this table. And this goes. Just gotta figure out which one, which way. Okay. Maybe this one which way. Oh, let me try this way then. Oh, that's nice. Oh, they're the same. They're the same. I guess there's a trick to it that I'm not getting. Alright. Oh, okay. Use your error. Actually, it snaps very easily. Pretty strong.
We bought the table from Amazon for about $75.
So in addition to the new table this year, we decided to get some new chairs as well because we were having problems with our Coleman chairs. And it had been the second set of Coleman chairs that we had problems with. So we were racking our brains trying to figure out which brand we should go with. And it came to us that we already had a good brand. And it's GCI Outdoors. We bought these chairs, these little chairs, a couple of years ago, and we use it all the time. It's great when you go fishing or hiking or anything like that. It folds up like this. It's got a strap that you put over your arm. It weighs hardly anything, and it's very, very comfortable to sit in. So we decided that we would get something a little bit bigger, maybe a rocking chair. So we got the GCI Road Trip rocking chair. And I'm going to open that up now. Oh, and it's in hunter green, the color of the chair. And I noticed that because I can see the back. I'm just going to take this So the plastic taped really well. And we did order this on Amazon, I think. And this is the bag, the road trip rock. And it's got a picture of it on here too. That's the only thing about these chairs. It happens to all of these type of chairs with your bags. So here. The rocker. And it goes this way. And you just push it down. And what's good about this is you can rock, but if you're sitting at the table to eat, or if you want to get up, you just push it forward and it holds its place because the rocker's only on the back 2 legs.
Well, thanks for watching our video, and happy camping.